Back in 2023, when folks like us were starting to really use payment apps rather than actual cards, losses from digital scams were already hitting $2 billion a year. But that's looking like peanuts today. Why? 1. AI has made scamming easier. 2. Many of the guardrails that gave us some protection from scams are disappearing. 3. Probably most importantly, we're not as careful as we should be online. Well, guess what? These days, a fraudster doesn't need to know much to take the most careful person for a bumpy ride. And that reality goes a lot further when you're waving your phone rather than using a credit card. For instance, have you ever gotten a message like this from a supposedly close friend? "Hello, how are you doing today? I hope you're staying safe." You look carefully at the message. Your friend never writes like that. So you answer, "Get lost, you phony." You move on, feeling good. Trouble is, you just notified a scammer that you read the email and answered it. Within the blink of a gnat's eye, you're added to a new scam list that's probably being sold on the dark web. And that scam list already contains most of your personal information from earlier lacking online behavior or hacks. Next, the scammer targets you like this. You get an email that looks exactly like the one from your financial institution. All the info on it looks right. You click like you always do on emails you expect to get, and you've just fallen for a redirect scam where you're sent from a real website to a malicious one. What's next? Your money disappears from that account. So please, develop even more healthy skepticism when it comes to your interaction with the online world. On this page, you can get a primer on 5 of the biggest digital fraud scams out there. Good luck!